Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shreya and today we are going to give a little makeover to my kitchen area. I think kitchen is one area that we all take for granted. We do not really try to decorate it at all, but we do spend a lot of time over there, so it should have some kind of ambience. I think I've mentioned it before in my previous videos that I stay in a rented apartment and I'm not really allowed to do any major changes here. So this makeover is going to be a rental friendly makeover. So yeah, let's jump right in. Okay, so before we start, let me first show you how the kitchen looks like right now. It's an open kitchen, so the entryway is quite too tall. When you get inside, you see a small L-shaped kitchen. There is an empty space right above the refrigerator and also above the gas stove. ये space chimney के लिए बनाया हुआ है, but then there's no chimney, so it is just a blank space. Since the kitchen is too small, I do not want to overcrowd the countertop. I want to keep it very practical so that there's enough space to work. Well, the best part about this kitchen is that it's well lit. We have this utility balcony attached to the kitchen. Our kitchen sink has developed gaps in the corners. So I kind of started with doing some basic fixes like putting M-seal to the gaps, putting white cement wherever required. I also painted some corners with fresh coat of white color so that it looks new. I bought this pretty floral wallpaper from Amazon. It's peel and stick wallpaper. It does not leave any stains when removed, which actually makes it rental friendly, and I'll definitely give you the link in the description box. So abhi I'm just measuring the width of the chimney space because I want to cover this space with the wallpaper. It already looks so pretty. और सामने से when you see the kitchen, you'll see फ्रिज का एक साइड, तो मैंने उसको भी वॉलपेपर से कवर कर दिया. Also there is one small balcony wall. वो बहुत ज़्यादा dirty हो रखा था, तो I had an option to either paint it or cover it with the wallpaper, and you already know what option I chose here. We are kind of making a frame to hang on the empty space above the fridge. तो उसके लिए I needed a cardboard, तो मैंने ये laptop carton से cut कर लिया इसको. I also cut some strips of cardboard for the frame. तो इसको हम finally ऐसे assemble करेंगे. I started with painting these strips in white color. जो बेस कार्डबोर्ड है उस पे आई विल बी स्टिकिंग दिस वॉलपेपर दैट वी प्रीवियसली यूज्ड. आई थिंक ये चीज़ आप किसी भी कैनवस पे भी कर सकते हो इफ़ यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इन पेंटिंग द कैनवस, but you still have the canvas on you, or if you have a painting which you don't like anymore, so you can just cover it with the wallpaper and it just looks so pretty. To hide the joints in the corner, I am just gluing a small paper triangle in all the three corners, and in the fourth corner I had these pink flowers on me. I'm just sticking them there. I wanted to write something else but there was no space, so मैंने इस पे eat लिख दिया. And I had these plastic spoon and fork which I painted white. and the frame is now ready. I made this way back, but I still inserted the clips for you to see. ये मैंने घी के डब्बे को पेस्टल पिंक पेंट किया है and on one side I am writing the word stir. And on the other side I put a tag with the word spoons written on it. एंड ऊपर से मैंने जूट रोप टाई कर दिया है उस पे just to add some interest. I'll be keeping my spoons and spatulas in this and it looks really pretty. For the entryway to the kitchen, I have this plan of hanging some DIY planters. It really made all the difference. Let me show you how I made those. I took some coconut shells and sanded it down. जब surface उसका पूरा smooth हो गया, I painted them all white. Now I took two jute strings of equal length. उसमें से एक string का center mark कर लिया मैंने, and that center has to coincide with the center of the coconut shell. I just use the glue gun to paste the rope. It's just a step to ensure that the shell remain in one place. I followed the same steps for another jute string. मैं ऐसे 4 planters बना रही हूँ. I just kept it for few hours for drying. जब वो पूरा dry हो गया, I just potted a little plant in it. You can pull the string and notice that the shell will remain in the same place now. To hang it, I knotted it on the top and the planters are now ready to be hung. I am using command hook to hang this frame. This rack is one of the best rental solution. You can simply slide that in the cupboard. It saves space and no need of drilling holes or nails. I keep some cups and spice box in it for easy access. I also found this battery operated light on Amazon. I think it's a great rental friendly product, so I thought I'll give it a mention. It works great for the kitchen area. You have the space for the batteries on the back. To switch on and off, you just need to press the light itself. All you need to do is peel and stick like I am doing on the screen. I had this basket which I thought would go with the color palette going on here. Since it has little holes all over, I'll use these holes to insert the thread. उसको hang करने के लिए I just knotted the thread in the opposite corners. I will hang it using command hook again. Command hook, they do not leave any stains on the wall. I'll link it down if you're interested to buy them. I had put some artificial flowers here, but I can also use it as a miscellaneous basket to keep garlic etc. in the future. Just wanted to show you how this light looks at night. Gorgeous, right? This is again an Amazon find. I will leave the link in the description box for all the products that I've used here. This is the doll planter I made in one of my previous videos. I will link that down as well. Plants just make the whole environment lively, so I really wanted to include some greens in this space. I can, however, also use this planter as a spoon stand sometime. I hope you liked today's video, and as I mentioned, it was a pretty rental friendly makeover. So if any of you stay in the rented apartment and you want to decorate your kitchen, please try these tips and tricks out and do share the pictures with me. My email ID will be given in the description box down below, and my Instagram handle is mentioned on the screen. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.